Hey everyone, Build It here. We're doing the UFO box for the month of July. Like I said in the previous video, I was a little behind. I've actually got both boxes June and July because I've gotten behind on things. So my wife opened the box when it came in. She thought it was something for her. I don't know why she would think that, but it says UFO on the outside, you know, but okay. And I get this box every month, so anyway, so I made, this is the second anniversary of UFO boxes. So obviously since last one said it was 024, that was actually the anniversary, but anyway, this will be UFO box 25, which is the beginning of the third year of UFO boxes. And I don't know what the project is yet. Let's jump quickly and we'll grab the packing clip. And we will jump to the project so we can see what all the stuff is for, right? Let's do that. I will hide my ugly mug camera and we will go to the page, and this is UFO. Okay, UFO. Oops. This is 025. And we'll open 025 up. And here we go. So here's our contents for UFO for July of 2020. Thanks Josh for making the boxes back, the original nice folding of the boxes. I appreciate that very much. Thank you, Josh. Don't know if this, oh, okay, so 3D Jimmy was a guy who passed away recently. My condolences to his family. So swag code, classified, Capricorn sticker. I don't know who William W. is, but okay. They won the mothership box. The Gear V2 3D printer. Oh wow, won a printer. Wow, congratulations there, William. You got a printer, a Ziltech printer. Wow, nice. Great prize. Okay, so it was supposed to be a treat, but there was no treat this month because it was the quantity ordered was taking too long. They wouldn't get it in time. They would delay the shipment, so he decided to ship without the treat. There'll be 2 treats in next month's box. It's not the fulfillment's here, but I want to see what the project is. So we've got some Capricorn tubing. And it says we'll have cutters in here too, okay. And then the bonus project, an LED Cube, a 4x4 LED Cube. Obviously powered by an Arduino, an Arduino board, and a little perk board for the little assembly board. These boards are just basically the way these work. This is like bus for power and ground on this side, same on the other side, and then in between, like this is one half, and this is the other half, and where that line is in between, there's no connection between them. So I believe the way this works is all of these in this row like this, that go this way, will be all connected together. But everything going this way is not. That's the way this works. That's why you can plug in the board and have all the pins going into the same, because they're all individual that way, but they're not this way. That allows you to connect things together, like using jumper wires and putting the components directly into the board. So it says you should find 64 LEDs, hopefully more. I counted them by weighing them. 70 LEDs then match that weight for all the kits. There should be 4 100 ohm resistors, 20 male to female jumper wires, 1 solderless breadboard, and 1 nano. That's a Arduino Nano, right? So that's all of that. Then it talks about hooking it up. So here's the resistors being hooked up to the different connections on the nano. So you can see, like I said here, it's all connected this way on the row, but not connected this way. So that's why the resistor in here and it connects over here. Resistor here to here, and here to here, and here to there. And then you connect up those using the wires to whatever you're going to connect it to. So that's what that is. And there should be a software program and all that to see the picture. But nothing else about, base case and helper jig. And view the instructions. So let's go to the base case, we'll click on that. And you can download the files. So I don't know who Lucas M5 is, he probably said so in his email. But you're making a cube, so you're basically going to solder together all of these LEDs and make a cube out of it. And they made a jig probably to hold the LEDs for like the bottom row, and then you build the top row and they can assemble it. I imagine that's what the jig is for. So this is the case that holds all the electronics in here. And obviously there's a bit more here than what we see, because I see all these voltage regulators here. Oh, you can't see it. Let me hide the other camera so you can see what I'm looking at. There. So there's a bunch of voltage regulators right here with some resistors and some other cabling. Looks like the nano and stuff is underneath down here. I'm assuming it's the same thing as the cube, that's like it shows here. And you can kind of see there's the cube and that's the cube. That's the case. That's the cube block that holds the cube. I'm not sure what that's for. That might be the assembly jig. There's the tops of the box. So let's see. That's that. We can download all the files. Wait for it to do its thing here. So this is obviously on Thingiverse. I don't like the new way that Windows wants to do this. I like to be able to save my downloads where I want them to be. So that now I always go into a file, into my downloads folder and find the darn thing every time, and I don't like doing that. I'd prefer that it opened up, you know, in my allow me to put it where I want, you know, after I download. So we'll cut that. We'll go into here, and we need to go up one more because it's the July box that we're working on right now. And we'll paste it there. And that allows you to, then I can unzip it. And that's that. So now it's all unzipped and we're all set. So that gives us everything for that. Let's go look at the assembly instructions. So right here it says view the instructions. Arduino LED Cube. So they have obviously a video on how to do it as well, right here on YouTube. So it's Arduino Nano 64 LEDs for the 4x4 cube, 100 ohm 4 resistors, a PC board, a PCB header, wires, and a soldering iron. Those are all the materials you need. Obviously, it doesn't come with a soldering iron, so you have to have your own soldering iron. So I see what they're doing here is they were creating an array for like the top level of the LEDs, and they're running it off of one control, which will light the entire top level. And then the same thing for the third L3, for L2 and L1. And that's how they're working that. Then the code is somewhere. They don't give it to you right here. It says code, but it's not all there. Oh yeah, it is. It's all there. So you'd have to copy and paste all that. So yeah. But then tell you what to do with the code, does it? No. Like, what do you name it? Right? You have it. You don't have what you should name it within your Arduino project. Like, do you name it, what? What name do you give it? It's not telling you that. Maybe in the video it'll tell you, but it doesn't tell you on their directions here. So anyway, that's that one. And then the helper jig, which again is another download file. And we will go to the directory again, and we'll grab that, and we will paste it in. Close the other window, and we will go to our directory, and we'll paste it in here, and then we've got the helper jig. Now I'm assuming that the helper jig is unzip it. Oh, there it is. It's just right there. They didn't create a separate folder for it. Yeah, it's for lining up your LEDs. It's to hold your LEDs while you solder them together, so it keeps them in a nice, neat row. That's what I assumed it would be. So that's that. I don't know why it has to keep telling me that they're going to reboot at the time. So, okay. Alright, so you show them what the project is. Let's go through the UFO box and what the actual items are. So here's got all the LEDs in here. It has the cables to hook up to the Nano. The Nano, I'm assuming, is in a bag here somewhere. Or it could be at the bottom of the box. No. So here's that little board for putting that together. I'm assuming the Nano is in this one bag here. Yeah, and there's the Nano right there in the bag. So. Alright, so that's the entire kit there for that. All this together makes the light cube. Alright, go on to the next thing. So this is first from Slice Engineering. It says Slice Engineering, but Green Gate 3D. This is recycled plastic. So that's what Green Gate does. Green Gate's they recycle plastics to make filament out of, which is really cool. We'll have to see how that works out. I haven't tried any of their stuff yet. I had planned on ordering some stuff, especially the clear stuff. I like clear stuff, so I looked at the purple they had. It was a clear purple, so I thought that would be cool. Okay, so that's that. It's a recycled, 100% made in the USA from 100% scrap plastic. It's called Slice Engineering Orange PET G. The only thing missing is printing temperatures on here, on that label. So like this is H&H 3D plastics. It's a PET G ice blue. It says extrusion temperature 235 to 245, and it's up to 68 degrees C on your bed temperature. Another orange. HQA PLA orange. Extrusion temperature 195 to 215, 0 to 60 C on your bed. And then we have another Green Gate 3D. So another recycled plastic. This is recycled PETG. This is a clear. This is a clear, like a pink color. I can't tell what color it actually is, but it doesn't say what color it actually is. So maybe on his back on the web page here where it talks about the pink grapefruit is the other one. And then we have some PTFE tubing. And we have a bottle cap, which we just talked about, 3D Jimmy. All caps for 3D Jimmy. And then we have a sticker in here for 2 years Alien in 3D US. And another sticker for Capricorn. So maybe I was mistaken about one thing here, because I thought he said something about the no, just 1 meter of cable. A while ago he did give a cutter, and I have cutters. I think I got like 3 of these cutters now. So they're great for cutting the cap tubes nice and straight and square, and I love it. I like everything to be nice and square. So that's everything. That's the entire UFO box for this month. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like on the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And yeah, we'll get back to that, and hopefully I can get some time to do some of these things. Very busy lately. I have a new project I'm working on at work, so it's been keeping me very busy, and when I get home I'm just exhausted and I just don't feel like doing anything right now. I got home last night, I had dinner, went to the store, and then basically I came home and went to bed. And it was 8:15 when I went to bed last night. So I was just tired. There's only so much you can do, and get up at 4:30 every day, getting home about 6 p.m. every evening. It takes its toll on you after a while. And so I slept pretty good last night. So anyway, this is Build It. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you later. Build it out.